Uh, we were interested in buy as is, and Silver Line Properties was easy to find on the internet. They're one of the first 3 or 4 that came up, and so I called them as well as 2 others. Yes, everything was wonderful. I was able to stay in touch from the very beginning with Michael, and Julita came as well on the second visit and just was very comforting and just reassured us of the process. And we felt really comfortable with Julita once she came and just explained how it all would go. And she was very knowledgeable about the house and maybe what needed to be done to it, and helped us realize maybe what a better a selling number would be. So we really appreciate that. From beginning to end, it went good. She was willing to work with us with the closing date and time, which was really necessary because we were on a time crunch with other contractors and so on. And so it worked out.